How's it going, guys? Today I wanted to do a little cleanup video on this Madcatz magnifying and light lens for the Game Boy Advance. What's happening is the terminals here got corroded, and what I did is I made up a little vinegar and lemon solution with a Q-tip, and of course extracted the batteries and cleaned them out. And what I'll do is put this on here, and as you can see, it's bubbling. I don't know how well you can make that out with this light on, but yeah, just this top one here got some corrosion on it, and just clean it off. It wasn't bad. The battery must have went bad because I play my system pretty often, and I don't know how well that's going to come out, but you can see it's nice and shiny now. All the corrosion is off of it, and I'll go pop some batteries in and show you what it looks like on. Alright, guys, we're in the room. Let's select some AAA batteries. I've got a little Mario paint going on. Let me pause it for a second, and I'll hook up the put it on the tripod. Alright, guys, we got the Game Boy Advance, and how this clicks on. Slips on the top like that. You just lock it down. Throw a little Pokemon pinball in there, and here's our light switch. Yay! As you can see, the lights are on down there. Awesome sauce. It looks great. Kind of hard capturing it with this light. Alright, guys, working great, and I hope you enjoy. Peace out from Texas.